Number 16. Today, Team 1 is selling cookies to raise money for their trip to Hawaii. They will charge $2 for chocolate chip cookies and $3 for sugar cookies. If 100 cookies are sold and they earn $200, which below would be the correct system of equations used to figure out how many sugar cookies they would need to sell? $2 for chocolate chip cookies. I do not see a per, but it means every chocolate chip cookie is $2. Therefore, 2 gets the letter C for chocolate chip cookies. $3 for sugar cookies. Every sugar cookie will cost $3. That means 3 needs to get a letter for sugar. This and this is what they're going to charge. I have 2 numbers left, 100 cookies and $200. If this is money, do I say 2 for every chocolate chip cookie plus 3 for every sugar cookie equals 100 cookies? Or does it equal $200 that they will earn? $200. The 200 is on C plus S without the 2 and the 3. I see 3C plus 2S equals 200. That's backwards. 2C plus 3S equals 200. Yes. 2C plus 3C equals 5. It should equal 200. I haven't figured out what to do with the 100 yet. So let's go back and make sure that this is the entire system. This could be a bad problem. What do I do with the 100? Add the cookies together, and I'm counting 100 cookies. My chocolate chip cookies plus my sugar cookies give me 100 cookies. How else can you rewrite this equation? Take the total, subtract off the chocolate chip, and you will get how many sugar. Take the total, subtract off the sugar, you will get how many chocolate. Do you see one of those answers here? I see the first one. So C really is the answer. Number 17. The perimeter of the rectangle is 30. That is not P equals 30. That is 2L plus 2W equals 30. If they, and that should say the, if the width, W, is, that means equal, 3 less than minus 4 times L. You will swap the 4L and the 3. Again, with W is equal 3 less than 4 times. How did I know L? It says length. Now switch in your final answer. You have just did what the question asked. You wrote the system. Number 18. Draw what no solution looks like, then one solution, and finally infinite solutions. This is no solution. This is one solution. And then draw infinite solutions. One equation graphed twice. Number 19, things to remember about y equals kx. The values on the table increase. Kx is direct variation. I was going to write it, but I wrote it right there. The b will always be 0. That means it goes through the origin. This is a linear function, so his parent is y equals x. And because he's linear, you can use menu 613 on the table to get the equation. Number 20. Y equals k divided by x is inverse variation. And inverse variation problems are not linear, so you cannot use menu 613. They do not go through the origin. They do not have b equals 0. And the y values on the table will decrease. In most instances, they will decrease rapidly.